Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set guided access passcode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down to the general section and then tap on guided access. In here, tap on guided access at the top to switch it on. Then we go down and tap on passcode settings. In here, tap on Set Guided Access Passcode and then enter the passcode that you would like to use. And then we enter the passcode to confirm. And that's it. So now when you start to use guided access, it will use that passcode instead. And we can end guided access by triple click on the side button and then put in the passcode to end the guided access session. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.